Hi, it's Matt here from thatleisureshop.com. Today we're looking at the Brunner Spectracool range of cool bags. Really cool. A range of colours, orange, green and blue. This is the 9 litre and it comes with a zip top, an adjustable shoulder strap, and inside, silver lined, ready to keep your food cool. Perfect for a big boy lunch, just like me. But if you're a family of 4 or 5, there's the 25 litre. Here's one I prepared earlier. This comes with a removable and adjustable shoulder strap with a bit of extra padding as well. Again, silver lined, has a pocket on the front as well. And inside is this cool gel pack, which you can shove in the freezer, get it frozen, pop it in, and it will make sure that your cool bag stays nice and cool. The best thing about these is they will fold almost completely flat, easy to pack away. Spectracool cool bags, super cool.